A 50-year-old brand tried to modernize its look. Weeks later, its CEO was gone. This is what happens when a company misjudges what its identity actually means to people. Cracker Barrel's long-standing brand identity, nostalgic decor, old-timer logo element, rural Americana theming built over decades. The company's leadership decides on a rebrand aimed at modernizing the look and attracting younger customers. Changes roll out: nostalgic wall decor removed, softened logo, lighter interior color scheme. Customer reaction is immediate: social media backlash, in-store complaints, viral criticism. Media coverage amplifies the story nationally within days. Financial and reputational pressure builds on leadership. The company reverses some of the changes, restoring elements of the original branding. Despite the reversal, damage to trust and momentum lingers. The CEO behind the rebrand steps down. Legacy brands carry emotional equity that's easy to underestimate. Sometimes the biggest risk to a brand isn't standing still. It's moving too fast away from what people love about it. For this kind of facts, subscribe our channel SG Nova Facts.